The holiday season has a unique power to transform our homes into warm and inviting spaces, brimming with festive cheer. For those who seek the perfect balance between rustic charm and Christmas magic, farmhouse decor is the answer. This enduring style effortlessly combines the simplicity of rural life with the joy of the season. In this video, we'll unveil 9 tips for creating a breathtaking farmhouse-inspired Christmas wonderland in your very own home. One, a welcoming farmhouse wreath. Let's start with the classic farmhouse wreath. Choose a wooden hoop or grapevine as the base. Then, decorate it with faux pine branches, pine cones, and some burlap ribbon. To add a touch of Christmas magic, include a Merry Christmas sign. Hang this wreath on your front door or above your fireplace for that rustic charm. 2. Mason jar glow. Mason jars are your best friend when it comes to farmhouse decor. Create a simple yet beautiful centerpiece by putting battery-operated fairy lights, faux holly, or berries inside the jars. Tie a burlap ribbon around the top, and place these jars on your table, windowsills, or mantel. 3. Rustic wood ornaments. Add a personal touch to your Christmas tree with rustic wood ornaments. You can make them by cutting small pieces of wood and decorating them with holiday designs. Paint, stencil, or use wooden tags for a homemade feel. These ornaments not only look fantastic on your tree but can also double as unique gift tags. 4. Burlap stockings. No farmhouse Christmas decor is complete without burlap stockings. Make your own by sewing or repurposing burlap fabric. Personalize them by adding your family members' names with stencils, fabric paint, or wooden tags. Hang these stockings by the fireplace or display them on a decorative ladder. They'll add a cozy and personalized touch to your decor. 5. Pinecone garland. For a budget-friendly and lovely addition, create a pinecone garland. Collect pine cones from your yard or get them from a craft store. String them together with twine, and for an extra wintry touch, paint the tips of the pine cones white. You can drape this garland along your mantel or wind it through the branches of your Christmas tree. 6. Farmhouse Advent Calendar. Count down the days to Christmas with a DIY advent calendar that matches your farmhouse theme. Use small burlap bags or envelopes, numbering them from 1 to 25. Fill them with small gifts or sweet messages. Your advent calendar becomes both a functional and decorative piece in your home. 7. Rustic candle holders. Get creative by turning small logs or branches into unique candle holders. Cut them into various heights and hollow out the tops to fit candles or use battery-operated ones for safety. Arrange these candle holders as a centerpiece on your dining table. They'll add warmth and a rustic touch to your holiday gatherings. 8. Plaid and burlap tree skirt. Transform the base of your Christmas tree with a plaid or burlap tree skirt. These fabrics are perfect for a farmhouse look. You can go the extra mile by adding faux fur trim or stenciled designs. It'll make your tree stand out with warmth and authenticity. 9. Pallet wood Christmas tree. For a unique and space-saving twist, try a pallet wood Christmas tree. Assemble pallet wood into a triangular shape and decorate it with ornaments and string lights. Lean it against a wall, and it becomes a captivating focal point that adds to the farmhouse feel in your home. By following these tips, you'll create a farmhouse Christmas atmosphere that's cozy, inviting, and full of rustic charm.